Sonoma County has unmatched beauty and diversity with forests, pastures, vineyards, and more. It's the ideal setting for Santa Rosa Junior College's Shone Farm, a 365-acre outdoor lab offering an extraordinary, hands-on learning environment, featuring 8 academic programs and paid farm internships. Located in the heart of the famed Russian River Valley wine region, the farm is focused on innovation and community in a stunning, natural setting. Shone Farm includes 120 acres of forest, 100 acres of pasture, 90 acres of vineyard, 12 acres for crop production, 4 acres of olive and apple trees, and 39 acres of buildings.
Once I found out about Shone and the whole hands-on, taking the classroom to the field kind of style of learning, I was like, okay, I think it's a great place to start because of all the options that they offer here.
What better environment for those seeking to establish careers, cultivating and preserving the bounty of our natural world? From producing high-quality food, wine, and farm products, to leading the nation in sustainability and cutting-edge agriculture.
I know that to work in the wine industry, you definitely kind of need to show what you've already been doing. And when you're new to something, that could be really difficult. So being able to create a work experience to show to future employees has been ideal.
For half of a century and counting, Shone Farm and the SRJC Agriculture and Natural Resources Department have been paving the way for future generations to steward our land and our valuable natural resources. At Santa Rosa Junior College Shone Farm, you're not just learning agriculture, you're cultivating the future.